Bonjour, hello, welcome to MaxMountainWorld.
Sounding very, very good. Sounds very, very good indeed. And congratulations on a nice walking conditions there. Walking this side with the Issue Fox Tango 450 Delta, and I'm using the standard microphone. We're running 90 whiskies into an Antron 99X. The Antron with the extra barrel stick on the top there. So yeah, no problem at all for the contact. You last over Santiago 5 Radio 5. Beautiful 5 and 5 there, very solid glove. Lovely signal there, Darren. So as I say, I'm an expat down here, originally from Scotland, and now been living down these parts for about 12 years there, Roger.
Yeah, Roger and Max, well, you're sounding great, mate. Sounding absolutely great, and as I say, if you are on Facebook, you're welcome to search my name there and add me, and I can send you this little video clip through personal message later on, QSL.
1 second, Darren. Yeah, 19 Division calling, this frequency is in use. Thank you very much. Okay, Darren, yeah, we can do a playlist on my YouTube channel.
8 Sugar, number 6, 600, Roger.
A wee bit louder.
Okay, 6 8, Sugar, number 6. This is 14, Sierra Whiskey 007, Roger.
600.
My call sign 68 Sugar, 600, 600, Roger.
Alright, okay, no problem at all, got that. 600, okay. Nice one, and just thinking that side would be,
My partner name, Jamie, Juliet, Alpha, Mike, India, Echo, Jamie, Roger.
Yeah, Roger there, Jamie. Got you, no problem at all. Needless to say, you're the same, I see the signal conditions and stuff as down in Roger. You're a beautiful 5x5 and a very nice sounding audio there, Roger.
Yeah, 5x8, Roger.
Yeah, Roger there. How long have you actually been doing radio? Is this here at the very beginning, Jamie? Just asking a question, Roger.
About 1 month.
1 month, Roger.
Yeah, Roger, 1 month. 1 month and many years to go. It's a fantastic hobby there, and as long as you don't get put off by the odd idiot. We advance to much more complicated stuff on it. So yeah, I've actually been operational since 1978. So I think that works out about, 42 years or so, Roger?
Yeah, Roger.
Yeah, so, I've been a while. I bought my first citizen van, my first CD radio, when I was in 1978, when I was still living in Scotland. I was living in Ireland, in the Republic of Ireland for a while, down in the south in the county of Cork. I was down there for about 7 years, and ran a very good station down there. And now I'm making to the south of France, and very much operational here, Roger.
Yeah, okay, and Max, 999 back here, Jamie's father there. Yeah, I've done that wee short clip, mate. I'm just going to pause it here.
My goodness there. Okay, do me a favour, take a photo and stick it on your Facebook for me to find when I do the investigation on the internet later there, Darren. That's been fantastic. Been good making contact with both of you there, Roger.
That's the home QDH there, overlooking the bay here, towards the lighthouse. And we have the present Himalaya. Oh my god, it's fell over slightly there. But we will get it back up shortly. And my normal spot is just over where the fishing boats are there, but due to the Corona-19 Max, public is not allowed down at it, mate. So I had to find a new spot today for my local DX, and if you can see there, we have the oldest standing golf club, Hourglass Golf Club. It's the oldest standing golf club in the world at the moment there, which goes right round the east coast there. So there you are, a wee short rundown on the OQTH 7351. Take care and stay safe.